Welcome to All Force e-learning classes. So we have discussed about preparation of alcohols by using Grignard reagents in session 22. In session 23 we will discuss about preparation of alcohols by using esters, ethers, primary amines and carbonyl compounds. Esters and ethers on hydrolysis form the alcohols. Esters and ethers. Now we will see reactions, esters reactions. Here hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Ester on hydrolysis in the presence of acid medium or base medium form the alcohols. Whatever one you can take here, esters form the carboxylic acids and alcohols. Here, in the presence of diluted acids, esters reactions are reversible reactions. Forward reaction is possible, backward reaction is possible here. But in the presence of base medium reactions, only forward reactions. In the presence of base medium, hydrolysis reactions are called saponification reactions. Saponification reactions. For example, if you take ester here, R, C double bond O, R. The organic compound which are carrying this type of function is called ester compounds. Esters on hydrolysis. Esters on hydrolysis in the presence of acid medium. H plus is given. H plus is given means diluted acid, diluted H2SO4 or diluted hydrochloric acid like this. So form the R, C double bond O, OH plus R, OH. How to write the product means based on the connectivity of atoms. You remember here CO bond is there, carbon-oxygen bond. Carbon-oxygen bond means according to electronegativity order, the oxygen electronegativity is more, the bond undergoes heterolytic cleavage. According to polarity nature, according to general concept, according to chemical bonding nature, always bonded electrons migrate towards more electronegative atom. So which is going to gain the electrons here? Oxygen. Then the oxygen acts as a nucleophile and the carbon having plus charge, nothing but act as an electrophile. That means wherever ester is given, what type of cleavage is possible means acyl oxygen cleavage is possible. Whenever the bond electron migrates towards oxygen, the oxygen acts as a nucleophile. It is going to lose the electrons means it gains the electrophile, nothing but it gains the positive charge, act as a electrophile. Here medium is given, the medium is carrying H plus and OH minus. The OH minus means act as a nucleophile, the OH minus attack that plus and H plus attack that minus. The nucleophile is added to H plus, the OH minus is added to RC double bond O plus. RC double bond O plus. This is the way to form the products. For example, here ester is given like this. Here CH3, CH2, C double bond O. Here CH3 is given. CH3 is given. Methoxypropanoate is given. So hydrolysis reaction H plus and H2 in the presence of acid medium. Here oxygen cleavage is possible Here methoxyanion act as a nucleophile. The anion donate to the lone pair to H plus then form the methyl alcohol. Acyl carbocation is formed here. Acyl carbocation is formed here. C double bond O plus. The nucleophile is added to C double bond O plus. Then form the methyl alcohol. Then form the methyl alcohol. This is the way to write that products wherever diluted acid is given. Here again ester is given. Given ester is carrying same type of alkyl groups or different alkyl groups, doesn't matter. Here NaOH is given. NaOH is given in the presence of water medium. What will happen in this case? Here also same thing, acyl cleavage is possible. Acyl oxygen cleavage is possible. RO minus and RC double bond O plus. RC double bond O plus here. RC double bond O plus and ONAM. Then ROH is formed here. ROH is formed here. H plus is added to RO minus. Ester hydrolysis reactions in the presence of base medium is generally called saponification reactions. Saponification reactions, which are used in the preparation of long chain oils, dalda, like this, fatty oils. So saponification, ester hydrolysis reactions in the presence of base medium reactions are called saponification reactions. These reactions used in the soap industry also. So you remember always, here CH3 is given, here C double bond O, OC2H5 is given. Remember always, whatever acid medium is given, whatever base medium is given, doesn't matter. In the presence of acids and bases, acyl oxygen cleavage is possible. Acyl oxygen cleavage is possible here. Acyl group is A plus and RO minus. RO minus here. But depends on the connected carbon atom nature, we can explain nothing but cleavage is possible or not. But here reactions are given means a simple one. Wherever ester chapter is given, in ester chapter we have to discuss about cleavage also. Wherever tertiary carbon is given, somewhat different cleavage is possible here. Based on the nature we can explain, based on the mechanism we can explain that concept. But in the chapter simple preparation methods, you remember always acyl cleavage is important, that one is important in this one. Then here NaOH is given. Bond cleavage is possible like this, CH3, C double bond O, ONA plus C2H5OH, methyl alcohol is formed here. Methyl alcohol. So we have discussed that concept. Which concept? Preparation of alcohols from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides hydrolysis reactions. In the presence of aqueous medium, the halogens are replaced by OH group. That means nucleophilic substitution reactions. But types of alkyl halides are three: primary, secondary, tertiary. Already I told you that concept. Primary alkyl halides gives good yield when compared to secondary. Secondary gives somewhat more yield when compared to tertiary. Tertiary is given, elimination also takes place. Some eliminated product, nothing but alkene also formed. Then how to prevent that reaction means, wherever tertiary alkyl halide is given, the tertiary alkyl halide first step convert into esters. Then if you do hydrolysis reactions, will get more amount of tertiary alcohols. That is the better or satisfactory method to prepare the tertiary alcohols. So this is the way to write that example. So whatever example is given, you can write easily based on the cleavage. Which atoms in between them? Carbon and oxygen atoms. Next, hydrolysis of ethers. Hydrolysis of ethers. Hydrolysis of ethers means the organic compounds which are carrying ROR functional group is called ethers. Ethers undergoes hydrolysis in the presence of diluted acid mediums or simple water. Temperature is given, doesn't matter, form the products. These are carrying ROR. ROR functional group means that both R groups are converted into alcohols. In between them two R groups, the sigma bond electrons migrate towards left side or right side, doesn't matter. Based on the alkyl chain we can explain that concept. But whatever chain is given, both will convert into alcohols. That means supposed to be a simple formula is given like this. Here R, here R. Again diluted H2SO4 is given. Diluted H2SO4 is given. What will happen in this case? Supposed to be, if you do this one, nothing but cleavage. Here carbon is there, CO bond. Which is having more electronegativity? Oxygen. Then the sigma bonded electrons migrate towards oxygen. Then oxygen act as a nucleophile, carbon act as an electrophile. Means OH is added to this one, ROH. H plus is added to this one, ROH. That means here ROH plus, again ROH is formed here. ROH. Given compound is symmetric or unsymmetric, doesn't matter. Write the product according to concept. Whatever alkyl group is given, open chain is given, cyclic compound is given, aromatic compound is given, doesn't matter. You forget about nature of the alkyl group. Cleavage is important here. Both will convert into alcohols. For example, here CH3 is given, O, here C2H5 is given, here H2O, H plus is given. What will happen in this case? CS3OH, C2H5, OH. Here CS3OH plus C2H5OH. C2H5OH is formed here. This is the way to write that products. This is the way to write that products. Supposed to be compound is given like this. Here C2H5O. Here phenyl is given, benzene ring, phenyl methyl ether. Here diluted H2SO4 is given. Diluted H2SO4. One is convert into ethyl alcohol, another one convert into phenol. Another one convert into phenol. This is the way to write that products. To write that products here. Next preparation method is from amines, primary amines, by using primary amines. Primary amines. Primary amines. Primary amines means these are carrying NH2 functional group. NH2 functional group. The primary amines treated with NaNO2 diluted HCl then form the alcohols. Nothing but the primary amine compound reacts with NaNO2 or diluted HCl mixture or HNO2 in the presence of 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature, form the product. Already we have discussed that concept, preparation of diazonium compound. Preparation of diazonium compound concept is totally different when compared to this one, because the N2 group is connected with aromatic ring. N2 group and carbon, the sigma bond is separated by nitrogen and carbon bond. Nitrogen and carbon bond means Next carbon atom having double bond. That means the nitrogen connected carbon having double bond. In between the two nitrogens, triple bond is there. Two unsaturations are separated by only one sigma bond. That one is conjugated system. Formed system is stable system. Here, aliphatic amines, non-conjugated amine is given. No chance to get the stable diazonium compound. Reason, stability is very less. Easily removable that N2 gas. That means the N2 is released in the form of nitrogen gas into gas here. Reason, no conjugated system. No conjugated system. That means the triple bond and carbon-carbon double bonds are separated by sigma bond means not possible here. If conjugated system is given, somewhat stable compounds are formed, then only we can stop that reaction at the stage. But here continuously reaction is possible. After removal of N2 plus, then form the carbocation. Next step is hydrolysis step. Then OH is added to that C plus. It convert into alcohol. Given compound convert into alcohol here. For example, here RNH2 is given. RNH2 is given. Reacts with NaNO2 plus diluted HCl is given 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature, or directly HNO2 is given. Same reaction is possible here. First step, it convert into N2 group, then form the R plus. That means OH minus is added to R plus. Here N2 gas plus H2O is formed here. H2O is formed here. That means here primary amine is given. The primary amine is having two hydrogens. Here HNO2, nitrous acid, HNO2 here O and OH. So it convert into H2O. It convert into N2. It convert into ROH. N2, H2. This is the way to write simple product. Need not to follow this one. Just you simply write that one. NH2 group is replaced by OH directly. Otherwise, but if you follow this one, we'll get product easily here. For example, here CS3 is given, here CS2 is given NH2 compound, ethyl amine compound treated with NaNO2 plus diluted hydrochloric acid in the presence of 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. The NH2 is replaced by OH. Here CS3, CS2, OH plus N2 gas is formed in this case. H2O. H2O is given. Given compound is cyclic compound or open chain compound, doesn't matter. We can write product directly. For example, here cyclic compound is given, which is having methyl and NH2 group. Methyl and NH2 group. That compound reacts with NaNO2 plus diluted HCl is given 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature. NH2 is replaced by N2. That means here CH3OH plus N2 plus H2O is formed here. H2O is formed here. You remember one thing, by using methylamine we cannot prepare methyl alcohol. If you use methylamine, it convert into nitromethane or dimethyl ether is formed here. Dimethyl ether is formed. Remember, the connected carbon is primary or secondary or tertiary, doesn't matter. The main criteria is the compound should have the NH2 group only. If NH2 group is present, then form the alcohol with these reagents. This is the way to write that alcohol products by using primary amine compounds. Primary amine compounds. Next one is so this is the way to prepare the alcohols from primary amine compounds. Next one is reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of carbonyl compounds. Reduction of carbonyl compounds. So, reduction of carbonyl compounds means in the presence of reducing agents, aldehydes and ketones and esters, it convert into alcohols, acid chlorides. It convert into alcohols. So many reducing agents are there. Based on the reducing agents, we can write that product, because here aldehyde is given, the aldehyde is having C double bond O H functional group. Ketone is given C double bond O functional group. Ester is given R C double bond O R functional group. Acid chloride is given R C double bond O Cl is given. Sometimes in the presence of some reagents, these will not undergo reduction. When you apply the suitable reagent, these convert into alcohols. If you use zinc HCl, is given zinc HCl, sodium ethyl alcohol, lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride, nickel or platinum or palladium metals in the presence of temperatures, these compounds are converted into alcohols. Wherever sodium ethyl alcohol is given, the reduction is generally called Bouveault-Blanc reduction. Sodium ethyl alcohol is given, the reaction is generally called Bouveault-Blanc reduction. Here. Here, aldehyde compound is given, supposed to be, aldehydes are carrying R C double bond OH functional group. In the presence of reducing agents, nickel or platinum or palladium catalyst temperature is given, lithium aluminium hydride is given, or sodium borohydride is given. When compared to sodium borohydride, that given lithium aluminium hydride is somewhat stronger one. That's why so many functional groups convert into reduced product in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Wherever sodium borohydride is given, that reducing properties are applicable for only some of the functional groups. Here, whatever reducing agent is given, that aldehyde convert into alcohol, RCH2OH, alcohol. For example, here ketone is given RC double bond OR. Again, lithium aluminum hydride, nickel platinum palladium or sodium borohydride is given. One of the reducing agent is given. It convert into alcohol. RCHOH. here. RCHOH is given means ketones convert into secondary alcohols, aldehydes convert into primary alcohols. Why? Because whatever aldehyde is given, that end carbon is carrying functional group. Only that end carbon undergoes reduction, it converts into CH2OH. Wherever ketone is given, middle carbon is having functional group. That middle functional group carbon undergoes reduction, it converts into alcoholic functional group. So you remember ketone produce secondary alcohols, aldehyde produce primary alcohols. Primary alcohols here. For example here CS3 is given, here CS2, C double bond OH is given. OH is given. Here lithium aluminum hydride compound, here sodium borohydride compound are given. That aldehyde group convert into alcohol. Here CH3, again CS2, CS2 OH. CS2 OH. When compared to reactant substrate, in product number of hydrogens are more, nascent hydrogens. Number of hydrogens are more means the compound is reduced compound. That means the step is generally called reduction step. Reduction step here. In the same way, for example, here 2-butanone compound is given. 2-butanone compound is given. Here reducing, one of the reducing agent is given. It convert into CS3, CS2, CHOH, again CS3 is secondary alcohol is formed here. Secondary alcohol is formed here. Secondary alcohol is formed. This is the way to write that number of products. Remember here CS2 double bond, here CH, here C double bond O, C double bond O H is given. C double bond O H. C double bond OH is given. For example, here CH3 is given, here CH2 double bond, here CHO is given. CHO is given. The compound undergoes reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borohydride, otherwise sodium borohydride, or nickel or platinum, nickel or platinum, nickel or platinum, nickel or platinum is given, nickel or platinum is given, or sodium borohydride is given, sodium borohydride is given. Suppose to whatever and you can take here, NaBH4, sodium borohydride is given, sodium borohydride is given. You remember the sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride will not shows effect on unsaturation. Without disturbance of the double bond, only CHO group convert into alcohol. Here CS2 double bond, again CS2OH. Here also same thing, CS2 double bond, again CS2OH is given. Wherever nickel or platinum is given, the double bond also undergoes reduction here. You remember preparation of alkanes from alkenes, that one is beginning chapter, Sabatier Senderens reactions. Alkenes convert into alkanes in the presence of nickel or platinum or palladium or Raney nickel is given. Nickel or platinum is given, double bonds or triple bonds convert into single bonds. For example, here ester compound is given, or C double bond O is given, or C double bond O R is given, or C double bond O R is given. Here CHO group is given. CHO group is given. Here lithium aluminum hydride is given. Lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride is given. Sodium borohydride is given. NaBH4. Sodium borohydride is given. Or C double bond O R in the presence of sodium ethyl alcohol, reduction reactions are generally called Bourrielt-Blanc reductions. Ester functional group undergoes reduction in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride or sodium ethyl alcohol. You remember here lithium aluminum hydride is given, both will undergo reduction. Ester group convert into alcohol, CS2OH, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. SCH2OH. Next, again CH2OH. CH2OH. Wherever sodium borohydride is given, the ester will not reduce ester functional group. Wherever sodium borohydride is given, that sodium borohydride will not reduce ester functional group. It reduces aldehyde or ketonic functional group only. Aldehydes are converted into primary alcohols, ketones are converted into secondary alcohols. This is the way to write that alcohols from a given carbonyl compounds by using reducing agents. Here so many reducing agents are there. Diborin, nothing but B2H6 also act as a reducing agent. But whatever reducing agent is given, based on the example we can write that final product. Nothing but based on the reactant structure we can write that final product in reduction reactions.